Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Wagwan peeps, what's up guys, boys and it's coming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and today we're here with my brethren called
Sing J, Connect.
And the next video,
And Kingston, we don't know about that.
changes is it, and today going to be a very controversial day. Yes it. Yep, different day, make them know yes it. Because the question today we're going to ask the ladies them know yes it is where you think about a man but wash woman panty, yes it. You know what I mean? Or dress, yes it. Well, we're going to ask the people them here where them say yes it. Yes it. Yes it. Yeah man. Yes it. Hold on. Who's who ask the question? Who's who ask? You see it? We're there. So go and join with your boy. You see it, big brother?
Against the law force. Here it comes.
Alright, peeps. We're there. Right now, we're going to ask another beautiful lady. What is your name, ma'am?
Dar.
Alright, Dor. So pretty much this is the question we want to ask today. What are your thoughts on men washing female panties or underwear or drawers, whatever they want call it?
Me don't have no problem with that. Man supposed to, same way they can take it off, same way they can wash it.
Yeah.
Man supposed to wash, alright, woman wash them man underwear.
Yeah.
Why can't a man wash their wife or sweetheart or whatever they want to call it, concubine? They need to wash their woman underwear.
So, but some man say that wrong though. Me no know them say that that's against the law, you know what I mean? But me no know, what you think? Because my thing is me ask them, suppose she sick.
That a hit. Because if she's sick, she need help.
Yeah.
But what kind of sick?
Me no know because the next man say if she sick, he go buy her new panty. Me no know.
Well, if you can afford that, but if you can afford in washing, right? That's how I go.
Yeah. So you pretty much say nothing wrong with that, right?
Nothing wrong with that. Well, if you can dash for one and buy, well, that's all right. But, yeah, man need to wash woman panty. See where they take it off, see where they wash.
When you hear that, good afternoon, Brit. All right. Well, they are great, you know. They I want to ask you the big question now. What heap of things are going on? So here we know, Brit. So there's this big thing what going on in Jamaica now, where they must say this, right? What are your thoughts on a man, wash a female panty, underwear, drawers, whatever them want call you? What you know what I mean? Me know what go on.
Where me big bingo me wear. So from a man I go yes, I'm supposed to can wash it to come me and wash film own too.
Yeah.
All when they stink, if you have a problem with the stinkness, you know for go there. So nothing wrong if a man wash it.
Okay. But some man say that against the law still. Me no know them.
If it's against the law, don't go there. If it's against the law, do not go there. You know why them a lick out funny? Because them gone the other way.
Oh.
The real man, them take off them woman dress. Because when your woman sick, are you there to help her? So nothing wrong if you take off a woman dress and wash it.
Yeah. For real.
Right, Mom?
For real.
True or false? Sorry, don't meet me.
All right then, Brits. Thanks. Yeah. And we're there with another beautiful Empress. So, Empress, good afternoon. So, what are your thoughts on a male washing a female panty, underwear, drawers, whatever them want call it? What are your thoughts?
Well, an underwear is a personal garment, so personally I wouldn't want my spouse to be washing it. But if it's a case where I am sick and he's helping out, well, I don't see anything wrong with that. But to just take it up and wash it, no, I don't think that's right. But it's not wrong either.
Wagwan Novelet.
Madea.
Big up yourself. All right, Novelet. So here's the question now. Yeah. What are your thoughts on a man washing a woman panty, underwear, drawers, whatever you want to call it?
Mama man that.
Mama man that?
Yes.
What make you say so?
Because man not supposed to wash woman underwear.
But suppose you're sick I suppose she's sick.
She must have a female in her family where they can do that. That's not a man job.
Where you say that against the law?
Yes, man, that's not a man job. That's for female. She must have a sister, auntie, some female in her family can do that. That's not the man do.
Kerry, what go on, Kerry?
I'm okay.
All right, so Kerry, the question is, what are your thoughts on a male washing a female panty, underwear, drawers, whatever you want to call it?
Well, I don't think it's right for a male to be washing females' underwear just like that. Unless it's not really wrong. If a person is sick, that's fine. He can wash the underwear if she's sick, or if it's some kind of emergency. Because if we can take it off, why not wash it? But I'm not gonna expect somebody to wash my panty every day, so, or every time, no.
You all with the man on the service, say, baby, give me, let me go wash it, though.
Right, so, no. I don't believe in that.
No, you don't believe in that?
No, he can do it if I'm like sick or if I'm gonna have a baby or something, but some emergency, but no. Not just like a regular habits.
Okay. All right, thank you very much, Kerry. Wagwan guys, so we're there with the beautiful Day Day. She don't want to be on the camera right now. But Day Day, what are your thoughts on a man washing a female panty, underwear, drawers, whatever them go and call it?
Well, if she's sick now, yeah, can participate, but if not, no. Because that's going to make she lazy.
Okay, so you said that is the only way a man should, you know what I mean, wash a woman underwear.
Yeah, if she's sick and she can't manage, then him help out.
But suppose now Day Day, a man just get up one day, baby, I'm going to do the laundry, give me all the jars, I'm going to wash it right now.
Well, let him take it off. If he want to wash it, him wash it. But me not go force him, me not go ask him to do it.
So you say, separate apart from the sick thing, if you want to volunteer, you're all for that. Because, say I say, once he take it off, he must can wash it though. Alright, so B, here we go now. What are your thoughts on a man washing a female panty, underwear, bingo, drawers, whatever you want to call it?
Well, I don't think anything is wrong with that, because if you're going to take it off while she's wearing it, why not wash it? Like, there's nothing wrong. What if she's ill and so forth? Why not?
But some man say, yo, suppose you know no sister, you know have no auntie, you know have grandmother. What do you think about that?
If you're the only one that lives with him, you and him live alone, who gonna wash it? You're sick, you can't wash it. So who will?
So what say basically I say nothing wrong with that if him do it, because
what's wrong with that? Nothing.
Cause the woman them wash for them own do.
Exactly. Nothing is wrong with that at all. I don't see any problem at all with that.
Alright, Stacey, so here the question is right now. So what are your thoughts on a man washing a female panty, underwear, drawers, bingo, whatever they want to call it? What are your thoughts?
Him supposed to wash it. Him take it off, so why not wash it?
But some man say it's against the law, you know what I mean?
Against the law, so why not touch it?
Well, him say that different based on some man, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Oh, so him rather do the dirty drawers more than the clean drawers. Yeah, because take off when the one where you have on it dirty, you know when you take it down. Yeah. It dirty. And you know better him wash it.
So you're so your thing is say him wash it, you know what I mean? If you wash it.
Him supposed to wash it.
But some man also say, yo, she not have mother or sister or auntie who can do it. What you think about that?
My mother and my sister, my auntie not me and him.
Alright, Stacey. Wagwan peeps, is your boy Sinus here, and we're here with the beautiful Jade. Right? Okay, so Jade, quick question. What are your thoughts on male washing a lady's panty, underwear, drawers, bingo, whatever they want to call it? What are your thoughts?
My thoughts is if the lady is sick or something happens to her and the husband or the boyfriend is assisting, that's okay. But personally, I don't believe that a male should, be washing a female underwear. That's my opinion.
Okay, I understand. Because some men saying that nothing wrong with it if she's sick, or whatever. So, you know, some man say they would wash it. Some man say no. Some man say yeah. And things. So your thoughts pretty much you say.
If the lady is sick, that's okay. But otherwise, I don't agree with it.
Suppose the man just get up and say, hey baby, I'm gonna wash some clothes, give me a dress in.
No, I don't believe in that. None at all. That wrong up.
Wrong up. Wagwan vlogger, so we're there with the beautiful Bree. Wagwan Bree.
I'm there.
Alright, big up yourself, Bree. So the question is, what are your thoughts on a man washing a female panty or underwear, drawers, bingo, whatever they call it in Jamaica?
I don't see nothing wrong with that. Them supposed to wash it.
But some man say it's against the law.
Which law? Which law?
A man's law, you know what I mean?
What to the woman law?
Well, I wear them a say now, no mean.
Oh, a woman can wash a man underpants, but yet still a man can't wash a woman panty.
Well, them a say a true a man thing, you know? You don't know that.
No, man thing, don't want it clean and healthy. Sometimes you can help it to and wash them out.
Well, some man a say, yo, if so be the case, why you can call like your auntie or your sister for come wash it or something?
But my auntie and my sister now take off my dress, so why them for come wash it?
So you say man must can do that too?
Them supposed to.
So you try to say if him a wash him clothes and say, hey baby, I'm gonna wash some clothes, give me a jazz, I'm gonna put it in the machine or wash you my hand.
I gladly give them, nothing wrong with that.
Ooh, Wagwan peeps, so we're there, as you can see. It's been a long day. What the man them feel?
Yeah, man, I'm tired still in that, yo. I won't leave a thing, man. Let's just say how good, you see me road, it's still, see how one to the outcome.
Yeah, man, well, we get a whole lot of mixed feelings today. Some man say yeah, some man say nay, some woman say yeah, some woman say nay. You see it, but that after them 1, 2, and 3. You see it. But anyway, vlogger, I hope you enjoy the video. Remember to click that like button down below and subscribe if you haven't done so. Yeah man, big up on yourself, you know, my team Kaden and Cindy up in the building. So let's go and journey the boy for your next episode. You see it. Hey.
Yeah.